Good evening, friends. I'm back again with an exciting and thrilling project for you all today. I'm going to be showing you an art form called decoupage. Decoupage is nothing but an art or a craft of decorating an object such as wood, earthen pots, or glass with colored paper or decorative paper such as these. Here I have made some wooden coasters for you. I will show you the process of making these. It's very simple and very quick, and I'm sure you'll love to try out this project yourselves. Please do. So let's get started. So friends, let's get started. As you can see, I've already made these bases and let it dry to do the decoupage. All that you need to do is you can either use gesso here to paint this, or both the sides and on all the four edges. You can use 2 layers of white paint and let it dry out nicely, and then we do the decoupage. Alright, so I've made a mixture of white glue and water here. This mixture should be of a good consistency. It should not be too thick nor too watery. I've taken a sponge to spread out this mixture, a pair of paint brushes, and a plastic sheet. Okay, I'll show you what the purpose of this plastic sheet is shortly. And this tissue, decoupage tissue it's called. So let me show you the other coasters I have made. Alright, so this is what we are going to be doing today. Let's take one of these wooden base. So what you need to do is place the coaster on the tissue like this, and leave some margin on all the four sides, about this much, just to cover up coaster this much, so the rest of it can be torn away later. So the easiest way to tear this tissue out is dip a paintbrush into water and gently place it here, spread out the water in a straight line, and tear out the tissue like this. It comes out very smoothly, very easily. Okay. Okay, so we've got a square big enough for the tissue for the coaster. We've got the tissue cut to size for the coaster. Now what you need to do is spread this mix that we have of glue, white glue and water. Spread this evenly. Spread this evenly on the face of the coaster and all four sides. Okay. Don't make it too watery and don't pile on the glue mix onto the coaster. Now spread the piece of tissue that we have cut, spread it evenly all around and use a plastic to press it down. Use a plastic to spread it out, to take out the creases and bubbles of any. Okay, so gently spread it out. Okay, so that's the purpose of the plastic that I was telling you about. Now what you need to do is gently fold in this tissue on all four sides. Now let it dry out. Let it dry out while we finish the remaining two coasters. This is nice and dry, friends. I let it dry for about 15-20 minutes. Okay, now what you need to do is just use a bit of sandpaper and scrub this out like this. Later you can give a white coat of paint here if you find this untidy. Okay, just to cover that up. Alright, so here we are with this now. What you need to do is give it a nice coat of this mixture that we've prepared and kept earlier. Give it a gentle wipe. Okay, so we need to let this dry. Okay, and we are done with our project of decoupage. See, these have dried nicely. To get a good sheen on this, you need to just give it a good nice clear coat of spray varnish, wood varnish, and you have your decoupage coasters ready. All right. Yeah. So that's it, friends. For now, see you in my next project. Bye bye.